This question, we're just going to go and have a look at how you would answer something when looking at replacement heart valves. So the figure to the side shows the internal structure of the heart. So one of the valves, so the valve just there, has been replaced, right? However, sometimes it can start to leak, right? So it's told you that it's leaking in the question, so that's going to be important to talk about. So explain why a person with a leaking heart valve might have difficulty exercising. Right, there are a number of key things that we need to think about. First thing, remember, valves stop backflow. So if we've got a leaky valve, then backflow can occur. So the blood's going to go and be forced backwards. So that would cause less blood to go and leave the heart, right? Because less blood, which will cause less blood to be pumped around the body. So if you're pumping less blood around the body, that means less oxygen is going to be supplied to the muscle cells, so the cells that are respiring during exercise. So we're going to have less aerobic respiration, right? It's important that you put aerobic respiration and not just respiration. So we're having less respiration, we're going to produce less energy, which is going to mean that the muscles are less efficient or can't contract as much. You could also go and talk about anaerobic respiration will take place because there's that lack of oxygen. So if we've got less blood pumping around the body, it's going to be less efficient or less able to go and remove that lactic acid. So the lactic acid could go and build up over time, which in turn goes and causes an oxygen debt. And don't forget to talk about the fact that lactic acid will go and cause muscle fatigue. Right. So just a few key things to think about when answering a question that kind of looks like this.